Do you ever get asked what motivates you? It isn't easy being a small business owner. There are plenty of challenges and curveballs thrown your way. The road to success isn't easy, and every day comes with its own obstacles. But what motivates me is my family. My family is everything. Yes, there are many long hours away, lots of time spent on the road, but all I have to do is think of them, and it pushes me through every time. As a father, I know I'm setting an example. I want my children to know they can rely on their mother and me and never quit on their goals and dreams. This Father's Day, I want to have a drawing that is easy, and for one dad, a $100 gift certificate to the meat box. It's a barbecue lover's dream. All you have to do is post a picture of a father figure in your life so they can be entered to win. Thank you, Maricopa. Hope to see a lot of pictures.